let you down, 'cause you know me through and through. When you are around, I see the stars come out for you. If we gon' set this fire, we gonna do it right, yeah. We keep it burning higher. We're gonna light this whole place up. And you know, when I'm with you, I am alive, alive. You make me feel you all the night, tonight. Everything I need. I don't wanna go, I don't ever wanna sleep. If we gon' set this fire, we gonna do it right, yeah. We keep it burning higher. We're gonna light this whole place up. And you know, when I'm with you, I am alive, alive. You make me feel you all the night, the night. You pull me in, you make me shine, shine. You make me feel you all the night, the night. The night. I can't help me dreaming now. I hope that I won't wake up. I can't help me dreaming now. I hope that before the sun goes down. I can't help me dreaming now. I hope that I won't wake up. I can't help me dreaming now. I hope that before the sun goes down. When I'm with you, I am alive, alive. You make me feel you all the night, the night. You pull me in, you make me shine, shine. You make me feel you all the night, the night. I can't help me dreaming now. Before the sun goes down, you pull me in, you make me shine, shine. You make me feel you all the night, the night. I can't help it. I can't help it.
What am I doing here? I'm longing for you, dear. If we could look to the stars, maybe life wouldn't be so hard. We were this close to another ending, but too far from the start. We were this close to another story, but we drifted apart. Oh, I think I lost my way. And no, I'm not okay. And yet I'm begging you to stay. Oh, I think I lost my way.
Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on where you are. This is another episode of Maarten van Stam's live coding office development. And let's get things going, start the show. Welcome back. Let's shut the music a little bit down. Yesterday we created a boilerplate React add-in for Office from scratch without using the React Starter CLI. Today I want to do something similar, but now upgraded to TypeScript. And I believe there's now some standard support for this. Let me put in... Oh, my screen is not right. Dum, dum, dum. This is not the right screen. Is it? Where's my coding screen? I lost my coding screen. Interesting. As you can see here, it's my coding screen, but it's not my coding screen. Let me check what's going on in here. Strange. Yeah, there we have it. Not sure why this is picking up the wrong screen. Let's get on with this. Copy link. So yesterday we created the boilerplate from scratch, and let me quickly bring up my chat. Command. Go to data projects. Let's see what's yesterday we created a clean React app, and that's a JavaScript application. So go to clean and code. This one is npm start, I think, if I remember correctly. application. I now have my, it contains a manifest.xml, so it should be able to be picked up by my Word application. WinWord, if it's still in there. Otherwise we have an issue. I didn't bring in a button, I think, so I need to do this again. Insert developer add-ins. Let's see if my folder is still shared. Yes, React boilerplate, add, and launching. There you have it. And to prove that it's actually the same add-in, we will remove the exclamations and make that some question marks. Compiling, compiled successfully. Let's save that. Go to Word, and there you have the 2 question marks. This one is based on JavaScript, so let's close this. Don't save it. And now the next thing that we want to do, what I found in one of the blog files, blog posts I should say. Let's close this as well. Is that this one, Microsoft created a TypeScript React starter, and if you go through the README, it actually shows me that there's now TypeScript support by default. So what I want to do is now create this one and then put the TypeScript stuff in there. So first use the application to do this, and then try to find out if we can do the same thing like yesterday, but then with TypeScript. So let's create a new one. Make it a little bit smaller. npx create React app clean CLI app React no TypeScript of TS. Let's make it TS dash TypeScript. This should build a React starter app from scratch, but now in the TypeScript way. Installing React, DOM, React scripts. So after this we will compare this to the common React app. So that's the JavaScript version. I really would like to see an Office add-in based on .NET Core, but they still only support, as far as I know, the old .NET client, like 4.8 or something. And that's not what I need. This repo is now deprecated in the time since it created TypeScript support, and now default feature create React app of create React app, Next.js and Resol. Not sure what Next.js and Resol means. So taking a lot of time to generate these items. There you have it. CD clean. Oh, let's make this the focus. CD clean. Oh, I made a typo as well. CLI, absence instead of CLI. Clean CLI. App TS. Well, for the case it doesn't matter. Another thing that they are doing in here is install, save TypeScript, putting in the TypeScript stuff. Let's see first what it created. Code. Not. There's not that much in there. Let me quickly go to package. It put in just test node React DOM. React. Oh, yeah, put in the types for TypeScript. And TypeScript itself. Some scripts, React scripts to run. And then I wonder what the React scripts do. Compiler options. In the source folder there you have TypeScript worker, set of icons, manifest.json for the icons, node modules to be excluded, so let's get the terminal in, and according to the website you now have to do this. Copy. I think these are already in there. Why should you want to add these as well? Because they are in here. Where are they? In here. Types node, types React, types React DOM. They're already in here. Echo good to go. Well, we can run it anyway because it installs the stuff. Let's check.
till the end for a kiss me again. Shut up and drive. Shut up and drive. Shut up and drive. Shut up and drive. You and I just shut up and drive. No more pretending, shiny picket fence left in the dust. Wave it in the rear view, 'cause you know those things were never
So let's check. Done already? Yes. Now let's see. My guess is that did not change anything. TypeScript 6.3.6.2. npm. Oh, that's not right. npm start. What are the scripts in here? React script start. Oh. Typing in the wrong window again. npm start the scripts. Yeah, so this is the basic application, but I now want to do this from scratch. Close this. I now want to compare this to what's in the... Where are the React scripts? Oh, React scripts. These are these ones. And ESLint is in here. Apparently what we have over here, let's compare this one with the clean one. Clean React app. Clean React app. We had a webpack config yesterday. That's making the output go through bundle and public to 3000. But in this case we also have the starter location, it's index.js. Let's see what's the starter location of the other one. Let's lower the volume a little bit. This is the generated one, and let's see if we have a... This is generated, this is the webpack config. So where's the webpack config in this one? Is there a webpack in here? Webpack. Let's see. Back to here, cleanups, npm scripts. Okay, start, build, test. Yeah, don't want this. Where's the starter folder? There's a source folder. Service folder. Let's go first to package, because we want to add all these items to the other one. We do have React. React DOM, and here we need to install. Oh, what's this? npm install and that's from the website in here. Usually you can follow. This is the old documentation, I think. Let me see. Is this one? Alright. Oh. Below is the README for the sample. This is what we did yesterday. Install create React app. Create React app, script, version React scripts TS. tsconfig.json. Contains TypeScript specific options for our object. We also have tsconfig prod test in case we want to make tweaks. I want to put in the tsconfig JSON. This one. New file. tsconfig index.json. And what's in there? Compiler options ES5, DOM, iterable, allow.js is next. React include source. Let's copy this. No, this. Copy. Paste. Save. TS lint. Put it in later, I think. Package.json contains the dependencies. And what dependencies do we need? You can delete any files in the folder apart from index.html. First, go to package.json and the other one, package.json, and install TypeScript. TypeScript, types node, types node, types React, React. These are the TypeScript specifications for React. Types React DOM, React DOM, React is already in, React scripts. Well, you missed the React scripts, TypeScript, React scripts. And TypeScript. Let's see if it's doing this. I think I should save them as well. Like this. Miss a save one, maybe. Save diff. Still loading. In the meantime, let's read about this. rename any file to TSX. This is a lot easier. Did it put everything in here? Yes. Type.js, Node, React. Do I miss anything? With TypeScript you run. If you previously did, this is what we did. Globally install. Yeah, we recommend you uninstall package using uninstall create react to ensure that npx always uses the latest version. TypeScript is in there. TypeScript, yeah. Types Node, types React, types React DOM. Rename any file to be TypeScript file. That's index.js to TSX. Type errors will show up, same console as build 1. If your project is not created with TypeScript enabled, npx may be using a cached version. Remove previously installed versions with npm install, create a React Appix, but I did not. You're not required to make a tsconfig.json file, one will be made for you. You are allowed to edit the generated TypeScript configuration. Note if you're running blah blah blah. Let's see. Make this. So they say this can be removed. Delete. Now rename this to JSX. Also make this JSX. Should be TSX. TSX. Okay, TSX. Update on ports for moved index TSX. Yes. There was another comment in here. npx create react, so I did that. TypeScript, we did that. Rename it, so restart your development server. Type errors will show. The question is, will it still work like this? Let's see. npm start. Oops. A multi-dev server. Module not found. Index.js. Yeah. Webpack config, that's in this one. TSX. TSX. And this should not only test for JS, but also TSX, I think.
Take me back to the days, holding hands and laughing the nights away. Will things ever be the same? I was your man and I wanted back that way. Chasing our dreams for what it would seem.
I'm really not sure if this is allowed, but just trying.
Now I'm standing here wishing back to that way. All we've got is hard to
Will this be JS? TSX. TSX. Really not sure if this works. Webpack. Yes. npm start. Oops. Module not found. Cannot resolve app.jsx. It's not JSX. In here it says TSX. And what's the issue in here? An import path cannot end with TSX extension. Consider importing .app from .app. Oh, okay. And that's not. Error in can't resolve .app. Let me check. Go to this one. This one. App. Let's go to the source of this one. Source. Let's go to the index. This one. Import React as React. Yeah, it's not in here yet, I think. It is. Where is it? Hello? Excuse me. React ROM render app. In this case, it's doing hello. Where's hello in this case? Here. Containers say hello. Why is hello importing hello? Oh, it's component, okay. In this case, I would expect app. Can't resolve app. Let's remove the hot module. Export default app. Save. Error in source index.tsx. Why is it unable to resolve app? Let me check one of the other files. VS Flux code. JSON. Let's make this a little bit bigger. This is like this. This is no package here at all. Excuse me. Import app from router. Document get. Let's see how's this done. Root. Let's see if this can be done. Render. Copy. Render, open app. app from app. Components. App.js. I want a TSX file. Let me check one of the TypeScript ones. This one, app.tsx, export default app, index. This has an index as well, yes. So why is this not resolved? Welcome to the chat box. What I'm trying to do is rebuild my clean React app to TypeScript, but should be fairly easy, but it is not, providing me issues, and there's no webpack in the clean one, so that's kind of strange. I'm not sure how this is done. Maybe it needs this one. tsconf.json. Let's create a file, tsconf.json, and put in the information from this one. Oh, no, this one. Save. And the question is, do we need this in here? Apparently not if you look at this one. This is service worker. What's this all about? This optional code is to register service worker. Okay, it's optional. So let's ignore that. Kill this. npm start. Oh, webpack. Did I just... Why is it doing the webpack stuff? Index readme. Available scripts. Include source. Yeah, I've got the source. And package.json. This has some scripts in here. React scripts. Let's copy the scripts. Copy. Go to package.json, and this script is not. Yes, as the webpack, and I don't want to use the webpack anymore. This is work, HTTPS, React scripts. Let's start with nothing. Let's see. Yes. Oops. That's a lot. CLS. npm start. And that we have in here. All the way up. Wow. Install. This works. Core.js. Warning is lint. Then it says something like this. Build error. Cannot resolve source index.js. in index.js. Where is index.js? Oh, in here. Clean up in this one, package. What's the startup one? Main. There's no main in here. Save. Private. Save. Let's Control C. Npm start.
Struggle just to fill my lungs with air.
CLS npm start. They require the dependency webpack 439.1. Might be a problem dependency tree. It's likely not a bug in Creator, but something. Oh, I'm in the wrong app, I think. Yeah. Welcome to the chat box. I'm trying to change over my boilerplate in JavaScript to TypeScript, but for some reason that's not that easy as I was thinking. Let's see. The output says it needs a dependency 439.1, and this is 439.3. Don't think that's PM install maybe. npm start. Control click. Let's see. Let's make this a little bit smaller. Verbose. Oh, there's error. Logging output above. There you have it. No. Failed to exec start script. Yeah. Pre-start. Let's see what's in here. Service worker is optional. What's this one? I think that's generated. TSX. How does this compare to mine? Oh, I don't have the HTML. Public? Yeah, index HTML. There is an index.html. Div ID root. That's what I have. This one is incorrect. Let me check what's in the header. Shortcut, viewport, theme, description, all not that relevant. Welcome to the chat box. What I'm trying to do is changing my JavaScript React boilerplate over to TypeScript. But that's not that easy as I was hoping for, because it doesn't compute. The computer says no. Let's save this. Oh, that's not what I want. npm start. If you have questions in the chat box, just let me know. If you like to follow, I'm always happy with followers. But you probably expect something to follow with less errors. Oh, what's this, by the way? Delete packages. Delete package lock. Delete module. Remove webpack from dependencies. So delete this. To fix the dependency tree, try the following. Delete the package lock. Where is it? There's the one below. This one. Delete. Delete node modules. I can understand that, because it probably takes some old stuff in there. Delete. Remove webpack from the dependencies or dev dependencies. It's a bit slow right now. Continue. Yes. Keep waiting. Clean React app. Delete permanently. Remove directory. Node and modules. Quiet. It's empty, yeah. Of course. There you go. It's gone. What was the other thing that I needed to remove? Webpack dependencies. Webpack, webpack, webpack. Something like this. Save. Run npm install. Again. npm install. Should also remove this one.
One last dance with my shaking hands. I can barely stand. Did I do too much? Did I push you away? I was in a rush, I'm sorry. And I know that you'll forget. I wake up in the night in a cold sweat to face it.
Something happening.
Is it over for us now before it began? I know it's crazy, but in my mind
Added back in the node modules, obviously.
I had plans. Did I lose this chance?
Progress Telerik shirt on today.
With my shaking hands, I can barely ask. We got runaway plans. Baby, where do you wanna go? I'm scared to, but I'll never let go.
Not sure why I want this in TypeScript. Because apparently it's making it a lot worse. But Microsoft is the TypeScript company, so
Will I find you somehow? I hope you're okay. All those memories in your driveway. Can we turn back time before it flies away? Can I hold on to something? Never thought you would come back. Can't believe you'd remember the
wonder what it's installing.
laughed and cried. Watch the sunset fall through the sky. We were younger, never thought we'd say goodbye. Now we say goodbye. Did I lose
To
this
start a new Create React app with TypeScript, but I don't want to build Create React app.
I can barely ask. We got runaway plans.
Previously installed Create React app.
I'm scared to
Recommends you uninstall the package.
let go.
Name any file to be TypeScript to TSX and restart your development server. Type errors may show up. Yeah, that's what I found. Not required to make tsconfig.json will be made for you. If you're currently using Create React app TypeScript, that's the Microsoft one, I think. Yes. No. Okay. TypeScript migration. Okay. In general, most upgrades won't require any migration work, but if you experience problems, so you add TypeScript to the developer dependencies. Is it done yet? Clean React app, and it added this stuff. npm. Come on. npm start. Now it created tsconfig.json. So what was my... Oh, I had a typo in there. We're unable to detect target browsers. Would you like to add the default to your package.json? And what are the defaults then? Yes. interesting thing is that I added this 3001. There you have it. But now I have the same issue with port 3001. This is React Developer Tools. Okay. So why it's now going to 3001? First, delete this one because this was an error. Delete. Yeah. And it created this one. Created this one for me. Let's find 3001. No. 3001. Why is this loading at port 3001? Welcome to the chat room and goodbye. Starting development server. Line 2 hot is defined, but never used. That's in this one. Hot reloader. Is this working? Like a save. And this is 2 question marks. 2 exclamations, save, and changed. So why is this 3001? Now I want to see if I can also do this in HTTPS. Where is the start thing? Let's kill this first. This one. This is the other one. I need this one. Excuse me. Still have a little bit of cold. I don't want a class in here, but I will change that later on to function modules. What was I going to do? Oh, the certificate. Yeah, so I need to go to package, I think, and start. Let's check Google React Scripts HTTPS. Set HTTPS is true, that's, yeah. Set HTTPS true in, what's the package.json, package.json. It's like this. Copy. Save. CLS. Oh. Yes. npm start. Set HTTPS true. React script start. Ta-dam! It's shutting my music down with the gateway. If it's too not loud enough, now it says it's not secure. Why it's not secure? Which one did I start? 3000. Oh, okay. Certificate is invalid. Why is the certificate invalid?
Maybe I was looking for a lifeline, someone to hold on to, something I thought
Details. What's changed here?
the truth. But I can't let you go. And maybe you
This was done not by Webpack but the other one. So probably need to copy to file and export it. Browse. Sorry. Clean React app. Clean app. Cert. TypeScript. Next. Finish. Yeah. Okay. Now go to the folder.
maybe I was wrong for the first time. And maybe this was all just in
This PC. See. Data projects. Clean React app. No. TS. So which one did I change? The Clean React app, obviously. This one. TS. Install certificate. Local machine. I have a whole bunch now. Place all in the trusted certificate authorities. Okay, next. Finish. Okay. Okay. Close. And let's restart the Clean React app. Control-C, yes. Let's go kill this one and close this. Close this. And by now we can also close this. npm start. Loading. And why is it not secure? Is that the same thing as yesterday? certificates. Okay, so it's the same thing again. It's like yesterday, and I had a note of it because I knew this was going to happen. Also, I need to close both browsers, I think. Let's close everything. And what's this? Close this as well. And let's restart. npm start. And there you have it. It's secure. Now let's make a change. Let's close the generated one and hello chat box. What I'm doing is transforming my boilerplate React component into TypeScript instead of JavaScript, and I'm now in the last stage by testing it. I have a hello world in here. Let's go to the code, and there's the app hello world. Let's make this questions mark, save, and while testing, hello chatbox. More people joining, always good. Have questions, put them in, and follow my channel if you like. This is a TypeScript component, not a component, website. But the fun thing is I created an Office application add-in from this. And the manifest is showing me that it should be pointing to localhost. So let's check if this is also working. Source public index.html. Is this also index.html? Index.html. Yes, it is. So now I want to start my Word application. Win Word. Get the latest Office Insider news. Always interesting. But I'm doing that later. First, blank document. And now I want to insert an add-in. It's already in my shared folder, I should say. React boilerplate. Add. There it is. Hello world. Hello word, I should say. So, reach my goal. Let me check if this actually is the same. Go to the app. Let's make this exclamation marks again. Let's see if Word is changed. Yes, it's also updated. Ta-da! React TypeScript. Save. And that worked. Oh, I want to save. So this actually worked. Drum roll. Ba-dum. Okay. So what would we do today? Close this. So I transformed the clean React app that we built yesterday from scratch. There's almost nothing in here. only some package stuff and some references to more than one thing, and an index, an app, and an index.html. So that's really our basic React TypeScript starter. And from here we want to extend it to a real Office app. Put some menu in, and let's make some notes in here. What did we do? Created boilerplate React Office, add in using TypeScript to do, extend this into a real add-in with menus and task panes. But that's not for now. That's for the next time. It's 6 o'clock Dutch time, and in Pacific it's almost 9 a.m. Eastern time 12. It's like about noon. Have some lunch. Let's kill the music. And I'd like to thank everyone in the stream, especially followers like Eva302, Edson6, Super God Bomber, whatever that name is, and Eric Lieben. And if you like this channel, also follow me on Twitch, this channel, and obviously also on YouTube. But for now, let's close up and see you next time on Maarten van Stam's Soft as Software live coding channel. Bye bye.